21 Gentle Gratitude Prompts for Your Body. Sleep deeper with Zen wisdom. Hello everyone, and welcome to a space of peace and gratitude. In our modern world, we're often caught in a relentless cycle of doing, inadvertently forgetting our most loyal companion, our body. The stress we accumulate day after day doesn't just make us tired, it also affects the quality of our sleep and our emotional well-being. Today, we'll dedicate some precious quiet time to reconnect with our bodies. This isn't just a regular meditation. It's a journey of healing where we use gratitude to soothe emotional wounds and restore balance. By mindfully listening to and giving thanks for each part of our body, we'll create a state of profound relaxation, helping you drift into a deep, restful sleep and wake up with a light, refreshed spirit. Take a moment to settle in, breathe deeply a few times, let yourself gently sink into stillness. Now, let us begin our 21 gratitude meditations for the body. The breath. Let's begin with your breath. Notice the natural flow of air as it enters and leaves your body. Thank your body for this constant, unconditional source of life. In Zen philosophy, the breath is the bridge between mind and body. Being grateful for your breath brings you back to the present moment, releasing worries about the past or future and opening a path to peace. The feet. Now, feel your feet. Thank them for their strength in carrying you throughout the day. Every step tells a story of resilience. Zen teaches us to walk as if we are touching heaven. Being grateful for your feet is an appreciation for your ability to move forward, explore the world, and find your own unique path. The hands. Next, bring your attention to your hands. Thank your hands for their work, their creativity, and their ability to show love. Our hands are the tools with which we interact with the world. Being grateful for your hands is about appreciating your capacity for action, contribution, and connection. Whether it's a simple act like holding a cup of tea or creating a work of art. The heart. Now, listen to the beat of your heart. Thank your heart for its tireless rhythm, keeping life flowing steadily within you. In Buddhism, the heart is the center of compassion. Gratitude for your heart is not just about being thankful for life but also for your ability to love, to feel, and to forgive. The lungs. Focus your attention on your lungs. Thank them for purifying the air and supplying oxygen to every cell. Your lungs give you breath, the very thing that sustains life. Gratitude for your lungs is an appreciation for purity, the ability to take in what is good, and let go of what is not needed. The eyes. Gently close your eyes and feel them. Thank them for the gift of sight, which allows you to see the world's beauty. The eyes are the windows to the soul. Gratitude for your eyes helps you cherish the beauty around you, from the light of the sun to the smiles of your loved ones. The ears. Now, listen to the sounds around you. Thank your ears for helping you experience the world through sound. In Zen, sound is a part of reality. Being grateful for your ears helps you listen with mindfulness, embracing all the sounds of life without judgment. The digestive system. Shift your attention to your digestive system. Thank it for transforming food into energy that nourishes you. Your digestive system is a beautiful example of transformation. Gratitude for it is an appreciation of life's natural process. From taking in to transforming and letting go. The skin. Feel your skin. Thank your skin for protecting you and allowing you to experience touch. From a gentle breeze to a warm embrace. Your skin is the boundary between you and the outside world. Being grateful for your skin helps you feel safe, protected, and connected to your environment. The nervous system. Bring your awareness to your nervous system. Thank it for transmitting messages and sensations, helping you interact with the world. The nervous system is a network that connects your entire body. Gratitude for it is an appreciation for your body's complexity and perfection. A true masterpiece of nature. Before we move into the final part of today's journey, I want to offer you a small but meaningful suggestion. If something in these words has touched your heart, if this message resonated with you, help us kindly press the like button. Your support helps spread peace and wisdom to others. Then consider gently pressing the save button and adding this video to your watch later playlist. Think of it as placing a smooth stone in your pocket during a quiet walk, a reminder you can return to whenever life feels heavy. Or when your mind longs for stillness. With one click, you create a path back here without the noise of searching, without the rush of time. Later, when the world outside is too loud, you can simply open that list. And this space will be waiting, calm, familiar, ready to meet you again. Let's continue with the next part. The brain. Focus your attention on your brain. Thank it for its intelligence, its ability to learn, remember, and create. The brain is the center of consciousness. Gratitude for your brain is not just for your intellect but for your ability to be mindful. A core element of Zen practice. The muscles. Feel your muscles. Thank them for giving you strength and flexibility. Your muscles allow you to move and act. Gratitude for your muscles is an appreciation for your physical strength, a manifestation of life and energy. The skeleton. Bring your awareness to your skeleton. Thank your bones for being a solid foundation that supports your body. The spine is the pillar of your body. Gratitude for your skeletal system is an appreciation for stability, resilience, and hidden strength. The joints. Feel your joints. Thank them for the suppleness and fluidity in every movement. In Zen, flexibility is a symbol of adaptability. Gratitude for your joints helps you appreciate your ability to adapt and be flexible in life. The circulatory system. Focus on your circulatory system. Thank it for delivering blood and energy to every corner of your body. The circulatory system is a constant flow. Gratitude for it is an appreciation for vitality and connection. The cells. Feel each one of your cells. Thank the billions of cells that work tirelessly to sustain life. Each cell is a miniature universe. Gratitude for each cell is an appreciation for the miracle of life at a microscopic level. A perfection that is hard to believe. Sensations. Feel the sensations within your body. Thank your body for your ability to feel everything. From joy to sadness, sensations are a part of the human experience. Gratitude for sensations is about accepting all emotional states, understanding that they are all a part of who you are. The ability to heal. Acknowledge your body's ability to heal itself. Thank your body for its resilience in overcoming illness and recovering. In Zen, the body has its own wisdom. Gratitude for your ability to heal is a trust in your inner strength and natural recovery. The subconscious mind. Bring your attention to your subconscious mind, which controls unconscious functions like sleep. Thank it for working silently so you can rest. The subconscious mind is a part of our intuition. Gratitude for it is a trust in your own wisdom, even when you aren't consciously aware of it. Sleep. Finally, thank your body for sleep. Thank it for being ready to rest and recover after a long day. Sleep is a process of regeneration. Gratitude for sleep is an appreciation for rest, preparing you for a new day. Your whole body. Now, thank your entire body. Thank your body for being the temple for your soul. Gratitude for your body is about appreciating yourself, accepting every aspect, and loving yourself completely. Thank you for joining me on this journey. My hope is that these practices serve as a stepping stone on your path to a more peaceful and restorative life. If you find yourself wanting to go deeper, to allow these feelings of calm to wash over you for a longer period, I encourage you to explore the playlists on our channel. We have curated a series of videos designed for continuous, uninterrupted listening, perfect for creating a sleep sanctuary that can last anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, or even longer. You can truly immerse yourself in deep, transformative rest. If you're looking for a shorter session, something to help you wind down in 15 to 30 minutes, please browse our other individual videos. There are always choices for you here at Buddhism in You. As you embark on this journey, I invite you to share your experiences in the comments below. Your thoughts, your feelings, and your profound insights are invaluable to us. They help us understand what truly resonates with you and allow us to continue creating content that supports your spiritual and emotional well-being. Don't hesitate to share your suggestions, as we are dedicated to bringing you more great spiritual products. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow night, here.